Yeah, Miss Davis, also known as the Living Stellar, would just like to say this. It's been reported on the news that there's gonna be a lot of churches and the schools gonna be shut down by next week. So my advice to everybody is y'all got to get things prepared, like buy food and electronic stuff. So in case this weather hit, which is on the guy's decision, if it hit, then hey, y'all ain't got nothing to worry about. It's important to get your bills paid and go to shelters for those that's out on the street. This is so important because this winter storm weather is not no joke. People can get killed out here. So I'm in front of a location now, in front of Publix out here on Pelham Road. So yeah, I'm just gonna take a look and see, what's inside, because a lot of people been buying things like bread and everything on my job, and by the time it had hit the shelf, it got sold out. So I'm on my way to Publix just to see what has been bought. You know what I'm saying? So there, I'm gonna check out the scene. You know, just bear with me, y'all. Finna check out the scene, what's going on in here, and see what else been bought. And I'm gonna show y'all live. So there, I'm gonna take y'all to the action. Check this out. All right, I'm in front of Publix now. As y'all see, it's a lot of people out here. Y'all see that, don't you? A lot of people out here, man. Just ready for this weather. A lot of people out here ready for this weather, man. Man, look, you see this? You see this being bought in here. A lot here. Starting to chip out. Things been bought. You know what I'm saying? A lot of stuff been bought up in here. Look at that. See? Empty. Man, I ain't playing, man. Look at that. Look at this water. You know what I'm saying? Empty shelves. Things been getting bought up. See what I'm talking about, y'all? A lot of stuff being bought up, man. Just everybody being prepared for this weather. Check on the bread aisle.
That's hilarious, ain't it?
All the stuff been bought up due to this weather.
You think the hurricane's coming through?
Yeah. As y'all can see, everything's been gone. Look at this right here. God Telling y'all, man, this weather's nothing to play with, man. Everybody getting prepared for it. You know what I'm saying? You know, just like the guy was telling, you heard the guy just got to telling him about that. I'm looking to show y'all again. Look at that, empty. Bread is gone. That's what everybody focusing on. Bread. No bread on the shelf. Man.
I need the smaller can. The smaller can? Yeah. Okay, 3 of them if you have it. Okay. I'm trying to get it out.
Y'all see that? Everybody just focusing on that bread. Bread in that water. Everybody killing it, man. That was the biggest sale of the day. That bread and that water. Some people was getting that peanut butter and jelly, but a lot of people was focusing on that bread. You know what I'm saying? Bread and water. That's how it was back in them Jesus days. Bread and water. And bread and wine. That was the sign. And you know what I'm saying? Y'all seen that stove now. It's something else. It's packed, man. So hey, y'all go ahead and stay in the house for the weekend. You know, stay in the house. Just make sure your kids do your homework and things like that. You know what I'm saying? Because hey, it's not rough coming out here on the weekend. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's all I got to say. You heard a customer talk to me. He couldn't believe it either. That everything's gone. All the bread is gone. Y'all stay tuned, cause you know, now this is the only video I'm gonna do for that. Hey boy, it ain't no joke, y'all. So y'all be good. Peace.